wanted to say welcome to you guys. Today is a special day. It is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. But also we're working on actually putting up the walls. So today the walls go up. They're already started working. You may hear a little hammering going on in the background. It's already happening. It's already taking place. Now we're just getting the sheetrock. Yeah, sheetrock up, and we'll be on our way. All right, follow the journey. The window. Actually, that's becoming that right there. It's becoming a door.
So we'll go to Lowe's. I got a coupon. We got to get a door frame, a new door frame, and then we have to get the paint and stuff, all the supplies. Okay.
That's Jose right there. He's working on putting in our new door.